Constitutional Amendment Act 1985, Anti-Defection Law, Eradication as Privipers, Co-Amendment 23rd, 26th, 29th, 34th.
26th.
26th, बिल्कुल. Co-Amendment Act 26th Amendment Act 1971, Abolition of Privipers, Equality promote करिया पई हेतला. Next, Education as Fundamental Right 76th,
86
86th, 90th.
2002
बिल्कुल 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002, Education as Fundamental Right. Under which Amendment Act? दरकार नहीं, कोई भी नहीं मु. हाउस सीरियली सजेब गोलकनाथ केस माने क्रोनोलॉजिकली गोलकनाथ केस, केशवानंद भारती केस, 24th Constitutional Amendment Act एबे कहली, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act समस्ते जानिछंती. तो क्रोनोलॉजिकली सजे की कुह केस दीटा जे ठीक से जानिथिबो तो कर दबो ईयर जदी जानिथिबो. क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर करेक्ट. Starting with the first. कहबनी कही
सर ऑप्शन आउ थरे
गोलकनाथ केस, केशवानंद भारती केस, 24th Constitutional Amendment Act एबे कहली, 24th Amendment सॉरी 42nd Constitutional Amendment, 24th 42nd.
गोलोकनाथ तबे 24 तापरे केशवानंद भारती तापरे 42
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. गोलकनाथ केस 1967, सेकेंड हला कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 24th Amendment Act 1971, केशवानंद भारती केस 1973, 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The word socialist was inserted into preamble by which Amendment Act?
42
42nd.
1976
बिल्कुल. तो थ्री न्यू वर्ड्स को तीनटा वर्ड ऐड हितला प्रियम्बल रे.
सोशलिस्ट सेक्युलर इंटीग्रिटी
Socialist, secular, integrity.
Very good. 42nd Amendment Act added three new words, socialist, secular, and integrity into preamble of Constitution. Which Amendment Act reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years?
61st
Year, 61st Amendment Act. Year,
1989
88.
1988, 99. 88. ना, 1988. Next. आउथरे कुआ make special provision for reservation of EWS.
103.
2019
2019. Sikkim became a state of India under which Amendment Act?
36
36th. Year, 1975. 1975. दीटा क्वेश्चन सिक्किम को नहीं पढ़ी पारे. स्टेट केबे हला आ स्टेटस ऑफ स्टेट सिक्किम एज प्रोटेक्टोरेट स्टेट टर्मिनेट हो गला ताकू एसोसिएट स्टेट रो मान्यता मिलिला. सेटा हला 35th Amendment Act 1974 रे. आउ 22nd स्टेट हला सिक्किम ऑन 16 May 1975 रे थ्रू 36th Amendment Act 1975. In which case Supreme Court gave the doctrine of basic structure of Constitution?
केशवानंद भारती 1973
Keswananda Bharati case 1973. By which Amendment Act Delhi has been made National Capital Region?
69th
69th. Year,
91.
1991
1991. 69th Amendment Act 1991. Through 42nd Amendment Act, 5 subjects were shifted from state list to concurrent list. କୋଉଟା କିଏ କହିବ? ମୁଁ କହିଦଉଛି 5ଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ସିଫ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା। ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସେଟା ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ଥିଲା। 42nd Amendment Act 1976 ଥ୍ରୁରେ ସେଟା ସିଫ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଟୁ କନକରେଣ୍ଟ ଲିଷ୍ଟ।
Education,
Education, forest, weights and measures, protection of wild animals and birds, administration of justice, constitution and organization of all courts except Supreme Court and High Court। तो 5टा सब्जेक्ट ऐड ହେଇଥିଲା। एजुकेशन, फॉरेस्ट, weights and measures, protection of wild animals and birds, administration of justice, constitution and organization of all courts except Supreme Court and High Court। तो एगुड़ाक थिला फास्ट स्टेट लिस्ट रे, वर्तमान अछंती कनकरेंट लिस्ट रे। First Amendment Act in 1951 was related to what? Option हला
Jamindari,
security of country, security of prime minister, protection of agrarian reforms in certain states, scheduled castes and scheduled tribe।
option C,
C बिल्कुल, protection of agrarian reforms in certain states। First Amendment Act carried out on 18 June 1951 was related to land and agrarian reforms। Inserted which schedule? First Amendment Act inserted which schedule?
Ninth schedule.
9th,
9th schedule। भाई घर द्वार भांगी बोधे आज। When did first amendment of the Indian Constitution take place? जून
1951,
ऑप्शन है जून 18 1952, जुलाई 18 1953, जुलाई 18 1954, जून 18 1951।
Last.
19 last,
बिल्कुल, जून 18 1951, जून 18 1951। स्टार्टिंग रे कहतली व्हेन वाज द स्पेशल राइट्स एंड प्राइवेट एंजॉयड बाय इंडियन प्रिंसली स्टेट्स एबोलिश्ड? केते मसिहा रे
26,
केते मसिहा रे एबोलिश हेतला? 1950, 1949, 1962, 1971।
71.
71.
1971 26th Amendment Act through रे। Which Amendment Act provided for an authoritative text of Constitution of India in Hindi language? Which Amendment Act provided for an authoritative text of Constitution of India in Hindi language? 56th, 57th, 31st, 58th, 32nd। Which Amendment Act provided for an authoritative text of Constitution of India in Hindi language? In the year 1987,
58,
58th Amendment Act 1987 inserted Article 394A to provide for authoritative text of Constitution of India in Hindi language. Which constitutional amendment act declared National Judicial Appointments Commission unconstitutional?
99,
98th, 97th, 99th, 100th? 99th Amendment Act 2014 15 2015 declared NJSC National Judicial Appointments Commission unconstitutional by a Supreme Court bench presided by Justice J.S. Khear in a majority of 4:1। Reject कले 99th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट थ्रू रे एनजेएससी को अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिक्लेयर कले which constitutional amendment increased the numbers of MP from Lok Sabha to 545 from 525 which constitutional amendment act 31st 35th 42nd 45th in the year 1972 which amendment act increased the seats of Lok Sabha from 525 to 545 31st
31st.
31st Amendment Act 1972 which article was inserted by 42nd Amendment Act to provide participation of workers in management 38 39A 43A 45
38. 39A.
DPSP participation of workers in management 43A Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976 inserted 43A as one of the DPSP Directive Principle of State Policy regarding participation of workers in management. By which constitutional amendment जे सुनिथिबो से कहबो subject of education was transferred from state list to concurrent list
42nd.
42nd
42nd.
Amendment Act बिल्कुल under Constitution of India education is included in which list
Concurrent.
Concurrent.
concurrent
Current.
list ଏବେ ଯିଏ ଶୁଣିଥିବ କହିବ the authoritative text of Indian Constitution in Hindi was authorized to be published by which amendment act
58.
58th
1987.
Amendment Act 1987 by which amendment act the word cooperative societies was added in article 191C
97.
बिल्कुल 97th Amendment Act year 2011 2011
11.
The Constitutional Amendment Act 97th Act 2011 inserted the word cooperative societies in Article 19(1) Clause C. Amendment also added for article which article in DPSP regarding cooperative society 43
40.
43B
Oh, sorry. Huh.
43B same amendment act 97th Amendment Act 2011 by which amendment words socialist, secular and integrity have been added to the Constitution of India
42nd.
42nd.
42nd under which amendment act 10 fundamental duties of citizens were included in Constitution
Same 42nd
42nd.
1976.
42nd बिल्कुल fundamental duties were added by 42nd Amendment Act 1976 according to which amendment act in Constitution the right to property has been abolished
44th.
44th
1978.
44.
बिल्कुल 44th Amendment Act 1978 now it is a legal right under which act which article
308.
300.
300A बिल्कुल 300A during which prime minister's regime right to property was excluded from the list of fundamental rights 1978
Morarji Desai.
भाभी दियो
Morarji
मोरारजी
Desai.
देसाई बिल्कुल मोरारजी देसाई which is not correctly matched कहबो 42nd Amendment Act fundamental duties 73rd Amendment Act पंचायती राज 84th Amendment Act center state relation a 52nd Amendment Act anti defection law
84.
बिल्कुल डिलिमिटेशन अप टू द इयर 2026 एटा रिलेटेड होची 84th Amendment Act 2001 पुणी जे सुनिथिबो कहबो according to 84th Constitutional Amendment Act till which year the total number of existing seats in Lok Sabha shall remain unaltered
2026.
2026
2026.
बिल्कुल ଭାଇ ନଦୀ ବହିଗଲାଣି ଆଜି ବାତ୍ୟା ହବ ଲାଗୁଛି। ସବୁ ବୋଧେ କଭର ହେଇଗଲା ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଆକର୍ଡିଂ ଟୁ ମି। Total number of ministers including chief minister in a state shall not be less than dash 7 10 12 15
15.
12. Total number of ministers including the chief minister of a state shall not be less than 12. 15 percentage ପଚାରିଥିଲେ 15% ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ important ଥିଲା which amendment act has limited the number of central ministers to 15% of total numbers of Lok Sabha? 90, 91, 92, 93.
93.
बहुत important 91st amendment act 2003 states that total number of ministers including prime minister in the council of ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of house of people lok sabha in 1990 in through which amendment act four languages were added to the languages under 8th schedule of constitution thereby increasing the number to 22 under which amendment act 91,
75.
92, 93, 94
92.
बिल्कुल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 92nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2003 91st भी 2003 थिला तो 92nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2003 एडेड फोर लैंग्वेजेस कौन कौन
बोडो डोगरी
Bodo,
मथिली
Dogri,
संताली
Maithili, Santali.
बिल्कुल बोडो डोंगरी सांथाली मैथिली टू द 8th शेड्यूल ता पूର୍ବरु थिला 18 तो 22 हेगला तो फास्ट थिला इनिशियली 14 तापर फास्ट ऐड हेतला को लैंग्वेज 21st अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1967 रे ऐड हेतला सिंधी लैंग्वेज 21st अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1967 तापर आउ तीनटा ऐड हला 71st अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1992 रे कौन कौन कोंकणी
मणिपुरी
हाँ
नेपाली
मणिपुरी कोंकणी
बिल्कुल
नेपाली
कोंकणी मणिपुरी नेपाली ऐड हेतला थ्रू 71st अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1992 तापर लास्ट रे ऐड हला 92nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2003 रे बोडो डोगरी सांथाली मैथिली आउ हे गला 22 टा एबे कहबो जे ठीक से सुनिथियो मणिपुरी लैंग्वेज वाज एडेड इन 8th शेड्यूल थ्रू व्हिच अमेंडमेंट एक्ट
71st.
75
71st ईयर हला 2000
1992
1992 which amendment act was did not pertain to addition of languages to the 8th schedule जे सुनिथिबो ठीक से कहि परिबो 29th 21st 71st 92nd
29.
29th रे किछि लैंग्वेज रिलेटेड किछि ऐड हि नथला 21st रे इतला फास्ट गोटे सिंधी 71st तीनटा 92nd रे चारटा right to education proposed by 86th amendment act was implemented in which year 2002 4 8 10
2002.
2002.
ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା 2002 4 8 10
8 है 2008.
2010 राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट 1 अप्रैल 2010 रे इम्प्लीमेंट हला अंडर आर्टिकल 21 ए आ जदि किछि किछि थिबो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे देखिबा अमेंडमेंट आउ कोन रहिला अफ्रीका मैप मते लागुनी केही पढिथिबे लेट रे देइथिली थाउ मैप ता देबी आजि काली महाजनपद मोर नाम महाजनपद मोर 12टी गोड़ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା କହିବ ହେଲା। ଗୋଟେ ମହାଜନପଦ। ମଗଧର କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
ରାଜଗୃହ।
ରାଜଗୃହ ବା ଗିରିବ୍ରଜ।
ରାଜଗୃହ।
ରାଜଗୃହ ବା ଗିରିବ୍ରଜ ବି କହନ୍ତି ରାଜଗୃହ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଚେଦି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
ଯଦି ସୁକ୍ତିମତି।
ସୁକ୍ତିମାଟି।
ସୁକ୍ତିମତି।
ବିଲକୁଲ ସୁକ୍ତିମାଟି। କୁରୁ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? କୁରୁ
ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରପ୍ରସ୍ଥ।
ଇନ୍ଦ୍ରପ୍ରସ୍ଥ। କାଶୀ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
ବାରାଣସୀ।
ବାରାଣସୀ। ବାରାଣସୀ। ଆଶୋକା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ଅପସନ ଦେବି ଅପସନ। ଶ୍ରବସ୍ତି, କୁଶବତୀ, ମଥୁରା, ପୋଟାଲି।
ପୋଟାଳି।
ଇଏ ବୋଧେ ପୋଟଳ ଖାଉଥିଲା ବୋଧେ ଆଉ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆଉ। ପୋଟାଲି ବିଲକୁଲ। ଅଙ୍ଗ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
ଅଙ୍ଗର ଚମ୍ପାର।
ଚମ୍ପା ବିଲକୁଲ। ଭଜି
ବିଦେହ।
ଭଜି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ବୈଶାଳୀ।
ବୈଶାଖୀ।
ବୈଶାଳୀକୁ ବିଦେହ ବି କହନ୍ତି କି? ବୈଶାଳୀ ବିଦେହ ନୁହଁ ବୈଶାଳୀ। ମଲ୍ଲ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଦିଟା ଥିଲା କ'ଣ କ'ଣ?
ପଲ୍ଲବ
କୁଶିନବ।
ପାୱା।
କୁସିନାରା ଆଉ ପାୱା। ବିଲକୁଲ କୁସିନାରା ଆଉ ପାୱା। ମତ୍ସ୍ୟ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? ମତ୍ସ୍ୟ ବିରାଟ କୋହଲି।
ବିରାଟନଗର।
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 ବିରାଟନଗର ବିଲକୁଲ। କମ୍ବୋଜ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା? କମ୍ବୋଜ ପୁଞ୍ଚା ଥିଲା ପୁଞ୍ଚା। ସୁରସେନା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
ମଥୁରା।
ମଥୁରା ବିଲକୁଲ। କୋଉ ନଦୀ କୂଳରେ ଥିଲା ମଥୁରା?
ଯମୁନା।
ଯମୁନା। ବତ୍ସ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
କୌଶମ୍ବି
କୌଶାମ୍ବୀ। କୌଶାମ୍ବୀ। କୋଶଳର ଦିଟା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଥିଲା କ'ଣ କ'ଣ?
ଶ୍ରାବସ୍ତି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ଶ୍ରାବସ୍ତି।
କୁଶବତୀ। ନର୍ଦର୍ନ କୋଶଳର କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଥିଲା ଶ୍ରବସ୍ତି। ସାଉଦର୍ନର ଥିଲା କୁଶବତୀ। ଗାନ୍ଧାରର କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
ତକ୍ଷଶିଳା।
ତକ୍ଷଶିଳା
ତକ୍ଷଶିଳା ବିଲକୁଲ ତକ୍ଷଶିଳା। ଅବନ୍ତୀର ଦିଟା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଥିଲା କ'ଣ କ'ଣ?
ଉଜ୍ଜୈନ, ମାହିଷ୍ମତି।
ଉଜ୍ଜୈନ ଆଉ ମାହିଷ୍ମତି। ବଢିଆ। ପାଞ୍ଚାଳର ଦିଟା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଥିଲା କ'ଣ କ'ଣ?
ଅଇଛତ୍ର।
ଅହିଛତ୍ର ଆଉ ନର୍ଦର୍ନର ଥିଲା ଅହିଛତ୍ର। ସାଉଦର୍ନର କାମ୍ପିଲ୍ୟ। କାମ୍ପିଲ୍ୟ। ତ ପାଞ୍ଚାଳର ଦିଟା ଯୋଉ ଡିଭାଇଡ ହେଇଥିଲା କୋଉ ନଦୀ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଡିଭାଇଡ ହେଇଥିଲା? ଗଙ୍ଗା। ଗଙ୍ଗା ରିଭର ଦ୍ୱାରା ଡିଭାଇଡ ହେଇଥିଲା। ସରିଗଲା ବୋଧେ? ସବୁ ତ ସରିଗଲା ନା? କୋଉ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଷ୍ଟ ଟେକ୍ସଟରେ ମହାଜନପଦ ବିଷୟରେ ମେନସନ ଅଛି?
ଅଙ୍ଗୁତ୍ତର ନିକାୟ।
ହଁ ଅଙ୍ଗୁତ୍ତର ନିକାୟ। ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ନିକାୟ ଭିତରୁ ଫୋର୍ଥ ହେଲା ଅଙ୍ଗୁତ୍ତର ନିକାୟ। କୋଉ ତ୍ରିପିଟକର କୋଉ ପିଟକରେ ଅଛି ଅଙ୍ଗୁତ୍ତର ନିକାୟ?
ସୁତ
ସୁତ୍ତ ପିଟକ। ବିଲକୁଲ ସୁତ୍ତ ପିଟକ।
ପିଟକ।
ମହାଜନପଦ ଖାଲି କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର ଏକ୍ଜାମ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଭ୍ୟୁରୁ, ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ରହିଲା? କୋର୍ସ ମିନେରାଲ ସରିଲା। ଆମେଣ୍ଡମେଣ୍ଟ ସରିଗଲା। କରେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫେୟାର୍ସ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ହବ। ମଡର୍ନ ବୁକ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଥର୍ସ। ମଡର୍ନ ବୁକ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଥର୍ସ ମର୍ଡର କରିଦେଇଥିଲା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର। ଯିଏ ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ କହିଦବ ତାକୁ କିଛି ମିଳିବନି ହେଲା। Who is the author of the book Durgesh Nandini? ऑप्शन मिଳିବନି ମାନେ ବୁକ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଥର୍ସରେ କେବେ ଅପସନ୍ ଦିଆଯାଏନି।
बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी
बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी ବା चट्टोपाध्याय। Who is the author of the book Poverty and On-British Rule?
दादा भाई नौरोजी
दादा भाई नाराज
दादा भाई नौरोजी। Who is the author of नील दर्पण?
दीनबंधु मिश्र
दीनबंधु मित्रा बिल्कुल। Who is the author of the Buddha and his Dhamma? B.R. Ambedkar। B.R. Ambedkar। Who is the author of India Divided?
B.R. Ambedkar,
राजेंद्र प्रसाद।
Chapal,
राजेंद्र प्रसाद। इंडिया डिवाइडेड राजेंद्र प्रसाद। Who is the author of the Ancient Wisdom? Ancient Wisdom ର author କିଏ? ଅରୁଣ ଆଶାପଲ୍ଲୀ, ଆନି ବେସାନ୍ତ, ଭଗତ ସିଂ, ବଙ୍କିମ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ଚଟ୍ଟୋପାଧ୍ୟାୟ। ବୁକ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଥର ପଚାରିବିନି, କାଲି ପଢିକି ଆସିବ ତାପରେ ପଚାରିବି। ଆନି ବେସାନ୍ତ। ଦ ଆନ୍ସିଏଣ୍ଟ ୱିଜଡମ୍ ର ଅଥର ହେଲେ ଆନି ବେସାନ୍ତ। ବୁକ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଥର୍ସ କିରଣରେ ଯେତିକି ଦେଇଛି ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣରେ ସେତିକି ପଢିଥିବ କାଲି। ସେତିକିରୁ ପଚାରିବି ଆଗ କାଲି। କିରଣ ପବ୍ଲିକେସନ ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ। ଆଉ କ'ଣ ରହିଲା ମଡର୍ଣ୍ଣ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ପାୱାର ପଏଣ୍ଟ ରିଜନିଂ ଆନାଲୋଜି। ରିଜନିଂ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା କେତେ ବଢିଆ କରୁଛ। ଆରେ ରାଜେଶ କୁମାର କେମିତି ଅଛ?
यार ଭଲ ଅଛି ଦେହ ପୁରା ଯାଇଛି ଅବସ୍ଥା
କୋଉଠି ଏବେ?
ବାରିପଦାରେ ଅଛି ସାର୍ 35 ଘଣ୍ଟା କି 36 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ ମୋର ବିନା ସାରେ ଯାଇଛି
କ'ଣ?
ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟ ରେ କାମ କରିଛି।
ହଁ ପରା।
ବାସ ହଁ
ଓ
30-35 ଘଣ୍ଟା ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ରେଷ୍ଟ ରେ ତା ସହିତ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲ 350-400 କିଲୋମିଟର।
କେତେ କିଲୋମିଟର?
350 350।
ତମେ କୋଉଥିରେ ଟ୍ରାଭେଲ କଲ?
ଭାଗ୍ୟବନ କାର ଟେ ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲୁ ଆମେ ସବୁ ପୋଲିଂ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡି କରିଦେଇଥିଲୁ ଆଉ ଅଧା ବାଟ ତାଙ୍କ ବସ ରେ
ଓହୋ
ରାତିରେ ଯିବା ଆସିବା କଲୁ ନା ଆଉ ହେଇପାରିଲାନି ଗାଡି କରିଦେଲୁ।
ହୁଁ।
ପର୍ସନାଲ ଗାଡି ଜଣଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ପକେଇ ପଳେଇଲୁ ଆଉ।
ଭାରି କଷ୍ଟ କ'ଣ କରିବା।
ରାତି ସାରା କାଲି ତ ଗଲା ତାର ପୁଣି କାଉଣ୍ଟିଂ ଆସିଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ରେ ପଡିଛି ଚାଲିଛି।